Hello everyone, and you're watching Bitcoin Bubble news channel. Hi there, and welcome to another movie about Solana. Yes, Solana broke away from this red trend line that we talked about here. We only talked about it in yesterday's movie, but there isn't much momentum to the upside. The weekend must have been dull, right? Even though it's already Tuesday, there was a holiday in the US, so the stock market didn't move at all. The futures markets were open, but they didn't move all that much. In general, yes, I think we should start to see some turbulence today or tomorrow. Now, it's important to see if the bulls come back before this support area breaks. The end of this support area is at $119.59. If you go below that level, the bulls will, let's say, start to. I don't want to say they have control because I see this range as sideways. After the low on August 5th, there was a short-term rise. It looks like most currencies are very weak. The price of Solana still has a chance, but it's already well below its support level. The bulls should really turn up now to begin a third wave rise. In this situation, I believe it is important to keep an eye out for the first signs that a real low has formed in yellow wave 2. This is a possibility that I'm showing you right now. We have a wave 1 going up, right? And this second wave is a flat fix. And this second wave might. The deal might have been done when the price reached that golden ratio level. I mean, there was a clear bounce from that level, from that 61.8 retracement at $127.83, but was the rise convincing in any way? Has it been convincing at all? I know not to me. As of today, I've looked at the nanoscale and found that it's not a 5-wave move. Okay, so let's zoom in a bit and maybe look at the 30-minute picture. We get closer. To the upside, this is a very clear ABC layout. The bounce is meant to fix something. I've marked this as a 5-wave move, but that's only to show how the pattern needs to look for us to be sure that a low has formed in wave 2. I need those 5 waves. Yes, this is not a 5-wave move up. No, there are 3 waves up, a drop, a rise, and another drop. That move has 3 waves. What I talked about earlier today with our gold members was how the rise from the low looks like a correction. This means that the price is likely to go down even more unless it can finish all 5 waves of rising prices in a diagonal direction. In this case, this could only happen as a cross. That means the price will go down even more until those 5 waves form. As soon as the 5 waves show up, we know for sure that a bigger low point has formed here on September 2nd, which is Monday. In this case, it would only work as a diagonal design. It's not a sudden urge. As a result, this is very unlikely since there are no 5 waves. It's likely to be another low. This is an A, B, and C structure, so it's easy for me to name it in white. As a result, let me just raise the wave degree here. Because of this, the yellow wave count is just a guide that shows us what 5 waves to the top would look like. This means that there isn't a solid low that has been proven until there is a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave corrective pullback. These patterns need to finish, then there needs to be a 3-wave correcting pullback to make a higher low. At the same time, that could be a deal to buy a slowdown. Then we can talk about more upside. I don't think there's anything that can be done right now. For people who traded the trend line rise, there might have been, and it would have been a good intraday trade, but nothing major. The breakout took place above the level where we are now. But yes, it does show weakness, and since it's a full ABC structure, it could have already reached its high point and we could see another low. I already said that the $119.59 level would be the next level of support below that one if there is another low. The next level of support will be around $109 to $110, which is the area around the August low. That would no longer be bullish though. Yes, the price could still change before the 1 to 2 setup is officially thrown out. But yeah, I think the market is kind of sleeping right now. Market isn't awake. They're sitting tight until Bitcoin does something. Bitcoin hasn't made up its mind yet. But if you watch my Bitcoin videos, you know that I'm keeping an eye on a bearish setting. It's not clear that everything is bullish. A 1-2 setup has been present in a few altcoins. One of them is Solana, so he could be the next one, or he could be someone else. It's not like there are many, so yeah, just be ready for more possible bad news. If the bulls do show up though, they should do it from here. So keep an eye out for it. It would be interesting if we could get the first 5 waves to show up in the yellow substructure. There you have it about Solana. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment and subscribe if you did. Also, if you enjoy the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.